Morning students. I'm Dr. Shrabani Mukherjee, your botany teacher. Today we'll discuss about sexual reproduction. In our previous 4 lectures, we have already discussed about types of reproduction, asexual reproduction, vegetative reproduction, etc. Now in this class, we will discuss about the sexual reproduction. Now, what is sexual reproduction? In this type of reproduction, formation of sex cells that are called gametes takes place, fusion of gametes and formation of a diploid cell or zygote takes place. Hence, in sexual reproduction, there are 3 types of stages. Number 1 is formation of special sex cell, that is gamete, which are haploid. Number 2 is union of 2 gametes, that is the formation of zygote, which is always diploid. Number 3, then a multicellular structure is formed called embryo by the process of embryogenesis. Now, the parents is of 2 types, unisexual parents and bisexual parent. If the parent is unisexual, it can give rise to only one type of gamete, that is male gamete or female gamete. But if the parent is bisexual, then it can produce both types of gametes, that is male gametes and female gametes. Now here you can see a flow chart which shows that male gamete, when fused with female gamete, both are haploid, form a diploid structure that is called zygote. This zygote is 2n, that means a diploid structure. This is under many types of reproduction many types of cell division, that is the mitotic cell division, to form a multicellular structure called embryo. Now the characteristics of sexual reproduction. Number 1 is involves 2 parents, male and female, called biparental. Number 2, in plants, sexual reproduction takes place by flowers of same plant or of different plants. Number 3, involves formation and fusion of gametes. Number 4, meiosis takes place during gamete formation. Number 5, mitosis takes place during development of embryo from zygote. Number 6, the male and female gametes fuse to form zygote, which form embryo and finally develops into a new organism. Number 7, it is called germinal reproduction due to involvement of germ cells of parents. Number 8, in higher plants, seed formation takes place after embryo formation and new young plants are formed by seed germination. Number 9, in animals, a new young organism is formed by development of embryo. Number 10, offsprings are genetically different from the parents. Due to variation, appear new combination of genes during crossing over. It is very important, students. That is, number 11 is, due to variation It plays important role in evolution. Number 12, units of sexual reproduction are haploid gametes. Number 13, it is found in higher plants and animals. Sexual reproduction found in higher plants and animals. Number 14, it is also found in some protists as Plasmodium and Paramecium. On the basis of nature of fusion, the sexual reproduction is of two types. That means how gametes are fused with one another, the sexual reproduction can be categorized in two types. Number one is syngamy, number two is conjugation. Now syngamy is again divided in five types. Number one is hologamy, number two isogamy, number three anisogamy, number four autogamy, number five pedogamy. Hologamy. Now syngamy, what is syngamy? Sexual reproduction takes place by entire and permanent fusion of two haploid gametes. After fusion, a diploid zygote 2N is formed by fertilization. Now types of syngamy. So what is syngamy? The fusion of gametes and formation of a diploid zygote and then formation of a embryo by embryogenesis. It is called syngamy. Then types of syngamy. Hologamy, their entire body act as gametes and form zygote. The example is yeast. Number two, isogamy. When the gametes are morphologically as well as physiologically same, the individual called isogamous and the gametes are called isogametes and their fusion is called isogamy. Number third is anisogamy. Morphologically and physiologically different gametes are called anisogametes and their fusion is called anisogamy and the individual is called an isogamous type of individual. Number 4 is autogamy. When gametic nuclei are fused in the body of the organism, where they formed is called autogamy. Number 5, pedogamy. Pedo means small. Young organisms act as a gamete in some lower animals and they get fused with one another is called pedogamy. The second type of sexual reproduction is conjugation. It is very common in bacteria and paramecium. Students, you know the bacteria is a single-celled animal. So, here sexual reproduction takes place by the exchange of their cell matter. This is called conjugation. Now, temporary pairing of two parents of same species called conjugants. What they are called? Conjugants. Two bacterial cell of the same species to exchange their gametic material and then they get separated from each other is called conjugation. So here in conjugation the two bacterial cells come to each other in contact and exchange their gametic material and then they get separated. This is called conjugation. Now students, in my another lecture we will see about the stages of sexual reproduction. So you have to learn about this before my another lecture. Thank you students.